All right, this little guy is Chaplin. And Chaplin, so you see his face, your hand's blocking his face. Down, boy. Chaplin is about 18 months old. He's about 35 pounds, so he's not a great big, not a great big lab mix, but he's a good size. If you don't want the great big old heavy to big old labs. And so he's about 35 pounds, 18 months old, and like the other ones we've had out this morning or this afternoon, these pups have been cooped up in kennels for a long time. They're just finishing up all of their medical stuff and all their medical treatments, and this may be the first time some of them have been off a leash in a long time. And they're pretty hyper, but we found that settles down. I mean, within a day of getting them into a house and getting them into some exercise and control. We just call it kennel madness. They just so wound up from not being able to run. Labradors love to run and be active, and they just haven't been able to do that. So, but this is Chaplin, and Chaplin has all finished everything, and he's gonna go on the website and be posted, and he's looking for his forever home. What a great little pet. He's not great big, you know, but he's just a perfect size. Yeah, it's a good boy. You know, easy to get in and out of cars, easy to move around. He's just be much easier pet, if that's what you're looking for. And this little Chaplin right here, he settled down a little quicker than the others, so that's a good sign. But oh look, he just wants some love, and that's all Chaplin needs. He needs a family, he needs a forever home. All right, well, we're gonna try and find him one. This is Chaplin. You can help him out, look him up. What a cute little boy. Let me get a close up of that little face. He'll stand still long enough. Hey, let me see that little face. Hey, look, what's that? This is Chaplin.